Question 24. As the structures of our world and the conditions of certainty have yielded to an avalanche of change, the extent of our longing for stable, definitive leadership has been exceeded only by the impossibility of finding it. The fault lies not with leadership, but rather with ourselves and our expectations. In the old days, leaders were supposed to make sense of chaos, to make certainty out of doubt, and to create positive action plans for the resolution of paradoxes. Good leaders straighten things out. Should chaos rear its ugly head, the leader was expected to restore normality immediately. But chaos is now considered normal. Paradoxes cannot be resolved, and certainty is possible only to the level of high probability. Leadership that attempts to deliver in terms of fixing any of these can only fail, and that is exactly what is happening.